CaptainPilot Aviation Accents Training Module. In the fast-paced skies of international aviation, English is the universal language. But can you handle the challenge of diverse global accents? From the English of a Chinese pilot to the distinctive tone of voice of an American air traffic controller, speaking different accents under pressure can be daunting. Different accents can make communication challenging. A French pilot's English might sound completely different from that of a Chinese pilot. Similarly, understanding a New York air traffic controller can be vastly different from following instructions from a Scottish counterpart.
Good afternoon, taxi to Air China 981, make the right turn here at Juliet, join Alpha, hold short of Mike Alpha.
Hey, right, Juliet, hold, well, taxi Alpha, hold in November. Now continue now, taxi now.
Make the right turn here at Juliet, join Alpha, hold short of Mike Alpha, Air China 981.
Air China 981, right, join, right, Juliet, join Alpha, hold short in November.
Okay, I'll say it again. Hold short of Mike Alpha, M-A, Mike Alpha, not November.
Okay, hold short of Mike Alpha 981.
Air China 981, have they cleared you into the ramp?
Roger, ramp to the ramp Air China 981.
Okay, they have cleared you into the ramp. Air China 981, ground. Air China 981, Kennedy ground.
981, go ahead.
Have you been cleared into the ramp?
Okay, cleared to the ramp.
No, that was a question. Have the ramp people cleared you into the gate?
Roger, to the gate, Channel 981.
I'll try it again. It's a question. Hold your position. This is a question. Interrogative. Have you been cleared into your gate?
Okay, well, hold here.
Okay, how about the question? Have they cleared you into the gate?
Tower, Ground Air Channel 981, we are... gate number 3 is open. We are taxi to the November.
Air China 981, taxi to the ramp.
Roger, taxi to the ramp.
At CaptainPilot, we've crafted advanced training modules to prepare you for real-world aviation communication challenges. Our innovative platform includes, within the scope of aviation accents, authentic audio samples from native and non-native English speakers, interactive exercises to enhance listening and comprehension, scenarios that mirror high-pressure communication environments. CaptainPilot offers specialized training modules designed to help you overcome these challenges. With real-world audio examples, you'll master understanding both native and non-native English speakers.
What things do you need to consider when landing an aircraft with only one operational engine?
Well, limitations and communication with the ground and the air traffic control, telling them what's going on and what you need and what are you expecting that's going to happen.
Amman, this is 232, Assalamu alaikum.
232 Amman can approach, alaykum assalam, go ahead sir.
Amman 232, level 250, Katrana, request to descend please.
We've managed to restart number 1 and are proceeding to our destination. Smoke's coming from the undercarriage. We need to return to base.
We need some help. We cannot see anything at the moment.
How challenging is it to work with ATC and pilots from around the world?
I think the biggest one is about language, and you should try to communicate with different people and from different countries. They have different language.
How will the role of a pilot change in the next 10 to 20 years?
Maybe the aircraft don't need the human to drive. Maybe for the UAV.
And can you tell me about UAVs?
It doesn't need
The airport's medical services have requested an update on your sick passenger.
Medical assistance is ready. Do you need a priority landing?
We have a heavily drunk passenger on board. Could you ask the police to meet him on arrival?
I am air traffic controller. I provide safety of flight in the air and on the ground. And, I help for pilot during the emergency situation.
What? We extinguished fire from our helicopter. We used external water tank. We had to take water with foam.
We have a problem. An alarm has just started. We are evacuating because of smoke. Call the fire brigade.
The passengers refusing to speak to the flight attendants. We are watching him closely.
I work at the tower and I manage the traffic in the circuit, and I give clearance to take off or landing for all aircraft.
I started the taxi.
Okay, so we said to the pilot he must hold position at the landing point, and we make a runway inspection.
Speedbird 422 Roger,
Turn right heading 1404, radar vectoring, runway 09er, descend to altitude 3000 feet, QNH 90905, report established. Georgetown departure, unable to cross weakened flight level 150 due weight, maintain flight level 130, JetBlue 345. Redwood 123, climb immediately to flight level 160, traffic at 12 o'clock, 3 miles opposite direction, same level.
How difficult is it to maintain a pilot license?
First of all, flying skill technique, it doesn't matter because every day we are doing. So most of the difficult thing is the health conditions, like a medical license. Yeah.
Can you describe what happens before and after a takeoff operation?
Okay, the before takeoff, we have to prepare for the takeoff on the ground, and it takes quite a while, but
I don't have you on my screen. Can you tell me your last known position? More of our passengers are feeling ill. We think it could be some kind of virus.
Traffic in front of you had difficulty landing. They reported wind shear at the end of the runway. The passenger's refusing to speak to the flight attendants. We're watching him closely. I've got a pressurization problem. Is it possible to descend to 8,000 feet?
We had radio interference and couldn't hear you. Could you repeat your last message?
I'm declaring a medical emergency. Where is the nearest aerodrome?
Police have boarded our plane with sniffer dogs. We're going to be delayed.
Traffic in front of you had difficulty landing. They reported wind shear at the end of the runway.
We have fire and smoke of unknown origin. Can you vector us to the nearest airport?
Dragon 345, hold position. Cancel takeoff. I say again, cancel takeoff due to vehicle on the runway.
We have fire and smoke of unknown origin. Can you vector us to the nearest airport? There's a delay with the cargo loading, but I don't want to miss our slot.
The captain has taken some medicine and is feeling better. It was just a bad headache.
Our platform enables you to practice with accents from around the globe. This doesn't just prepare you for ICAO proficiency exams, It also enhances your operational communication skills. Whether you're preparing for ICAO proficiency exams or enhancing your operational communication, having the right tools makes all the difference. Master understanding accents with CaptainPilot and communicate with confidence in every situation. Start today.